Hi guys, Namaste. My name is GDiipa. I am the founder and CEO of PARI Cosmetics. My job is to take care of almost everything and everyone, but my favorite part is product designing. And today I'm going to teach you how to use the Vital Collection brush set. This bag is a beautiful premium quality vegan leather material with gold embossed PARI Cosmetic logo, and inside this you have 6 most essential face and eye brushes that you can use on a daily basis. You have the 3 most used eye brushes and the 3 most useful face brushes. First, I'm going to introduce you to the face brushes. Here you have the powder brush, the contour brush, and the highlighter brush. Now, this powder brush is so soft. All of these brushes are so soft and applies the product so beautifully and blends in very smoothly. This is a contour brush. This is number 2, and you can use this to apply powder contour, and you can also use this to apply blusher. And this brush is so versatile. You can use this to apply highlighter. You can also use this to set your under eye concealer with powder. And this face brush can also be used to apply blusher. And here you have the most useful eye brushes that you will be using on a daily basis. That is if you do your makeup every day. First, you have this flat brush, which is not so flat if you look at it from the side because it is more open on the top and more fluffier, so you can use this to apply eyeshadow and also to blend the eyeshadow. And here you have this classic blending brush that you can use to blend the edges of your eyeshadow. And finally, you have this pencil brush, which you can use to apply highlighter in the inner corner on the nose bridge, and also you can use this to smudge your eyeshadow. You can also use this as a precision blender brush to precisely blend the edges of your eyeshadow. I really love the design, the functionality of it, and I'm so happy with how it turned out because it is a perfect set of brushes that you can use on a daily basis. And today I did my full face makeup using these brushes. You can create so many natural glam eye makeup looks with this. You can also do a smoky eye with this. You can do, there's so many things you can do with just 3 brushes because of the shape of the brushes. These are the most useful eye makeup brushes that you need, and these 3 are the most useful face brushes that you can use to apply your powder, contour, blusher, highlighter, and it just blends in so smoothly. Having the right tools is so important, and it just makes your makeup look very flawless. The brushes comes packaged like this, so when you first open it, you need to just fluff out the brushes like this. And as you continue using it, it's gonna open up more and it's gonna be more fluffy. So you can apply a powder with a very airy feel. So when you first open your brushes, make sure that you fluff it out. All of the brushes, okay? Because that is when you can see the best shape of the brushes. Alright, so how do you clean the brushes? To clean the brushes, it is very, very simple. So after you're done with your makeup, you can just spray the brush with a brush cleanser. And what it does is that it will disinfect your brushes and also remove some of the makeup product that is in the brushes, and you can use it next time. So after spraying the brush cleanser on this brush, you just wipe it on a towel like that. So that is what you can do to clean your brushes after using them every time, so it's clean and fresh for the next time. But you have to deep clean your brushes on a monthly basis. You can do this once or twice a month, okay? And to deep clean your brushes, you can use soap and water. That's it. So just use soap and water, clean the brush, and after you drain it, hang it upside down like that. Do not hang it like that. Do not let it dry like that, because the water may go to the bristle and loosen up the glue, and it will not last very long. Although PARI brushes are very strong, you have to make sure to take good care of it. Don't let any water go to this side because it is going to loosen the glue, okay? So when you hang it upside down. The best way to dry your brushes is get a hanger. So pretend this is a hanger, right? And you can take a rubber band or a hair tie and just hang your brush like that. Let it to dry overnight, and in the morning is fresh, super fresh and clean. So this is the Vital collection that is so useful for everyone. If you're very new to makeup, these brushes are going to be so useful for creating a beautiful, flawless makeup look. Okay, and even if you're a professional, you can use this. I'm sure even if you're professional, you're not gonna be on full face makeup every day. Most of the time we all love natural makeups, right? So this is perfect for beginners or professionals. So where can you get them? For UK and worldwide, you can order from paricosmetic.com, and if you're from Nepal, then you can get home delivery from our Instagram page, that is pari.cosmetic, Pari Cosmetic Instagram, and you can also get it in GB Skin and Beauty. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I will be back with more introductory videos of Pari Cosmetic products. If you have any questions, please DM us or leave any comments in the comment box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a beautiful day. If not, then you do. Okay, have a beautiful day. Take good care of yourself, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.